Future division. Today I will show you how to work with sauceLab. There is a new trend. People are using the sauceLab. I mean, it's not new trend, but almost everybody using the sauceLab for integration testing with web, mobile, all all the testing is for manually automation, manual and automation. So now today I will show you how to do web test with sauceLab. So what is the sauceLab? Basically, you run your test in the cloud, not in your local machine. So risk free. So let's go to the sauceLab. So this is the sauceLab. I already have account, so you can go the try it free. When you call the try it free, so you can create your account and they will be send you email and verify your email, and it will be get for 14 days limited time, certain time free. So now I already created this is my sauceLab account. Okay, when you create it, you'll be get like that for free. In future, if you want free, you can pay it. There is a paid option. For now, I'm showing you how to access the sauceLab without money. It's free. So use for testing purpose. Learn how to use the sauceLab. So now that is my simple code used to have before. Same code is here. So now I'm going to add my sauceLab configuration here. How we can do that? Let's do it, guys. So first of all, I'm going to go to the script base. I'm going to add something. Just follow it what I'm doing. Okay. So let's do all this. Pass some variable of a public final. Oh, sorry. Public final. Why is passing that? Okay. See, already have. I'm copy from here. Public static final. I lazy to adding public static final. Cool. And then first we need a username. Okay, so I'm going to say the string. Then I'm going to say username. Use the capital letter if you want. I like to do that. So username equal command Z, sorry. Okay, username equal whatever username I will provide that. Okay, so now same thing, copy this until this and paste here, and username have, now we need a access key. Okay, so it will be access key. So access key, so access key will be here. Cool. My access key I will be provided later. Now what you need a URL. Okay, so just follow, guys. Okay, you can find it online, all this information I will provide in the description section. You can copy paste from there. So it should be URL. Okay, so now let's provide what URL should be look like. So now URL, so let's do it. So in this we have http clone, not capital letter, guys. Okay, then we're gonna use this concatenate. We're gonna use our username. All right, so looks, guys, how are you gonna use it? Plus this username here. Cool. Then plus is just doing the concatenate. Okay, just adding the parameter value. Then we have a clone like that. So after that you use again plus, okay, your access key. Cool. Plus and double quotation. So now we have a we put the origin name and access key. Now there's a one URL you have to provide, what is called on demand. Okay, this is the plugin. If you in future, if you junkin, you'll be know what is this. So now I'm just writing on demand dot saucelab on demand dot saucelab, make sure spelling is correct, dot com. Okay, dot com. Then I'm going to put the clone and port 80 is web hub. Okay, OD and hub, HUF hub. Okay, this is the URL. So what I did, I just provide the HTTPS. Okay, clone double slash the username, this I will provide later, and access key. Access key basically your password. You don't want to give your password to open to public. So what you are doing, you just here sorry, it's just before. So you just here like passing your access key, you will be generate in the saucelab. In future you will be see how I do that. So over here I say on demand dot saucelabs.com clone 80, or this is 80 the point. So now this is where essential over here, access key. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so that mistake, non-mistake will not look nice, so I'm gonna little bit separate. Okay, so they will look a little better. So now we have, so we're not going to use any more, I mean right now we're not going to use any like init method driver. You're going to open the remote driver. So what you're going to do, I'm going to say public, then you can say void, and I give the name saucelab for now. Okay guys, for now. So now if you go here and done. So now we call the capabilities. How? So we're gonna say over here like that, desired capabilities, give the name caps equal new desired capabilities. Okay, done. So now we already have our desired capabilities. Now we're gonna give the which browser you want to run. Okay, which browser you want to run. So I'm gonna say caps dot. Okay, so we want to run with like Chrome. So we have to set the capabilities. So you're gonna say set capabilities, capabilities name and value. Okay, name and value. So if you say double quotation, comma, double quotation is gonna show the name. So capabilities name and value. So what we're gonna provide the name? We're gonna provide the name here, whatever you want, but I'm gonna say here browser name. Follow the pattern. Okay guys, browser name Chrome. So now we already have here capabilities. So I'm going to copy this, just copy paste. Okay, so copy this. Now I'm going to use the platform, which platform you want to run your test in saucelab. You can specify the platform. So I want to run in platform in the Mac, so I'm going to say the platform. Then I'm gonna say Chrome, no, Mac. So Mac OS. Okay, so also I'm gonna give the version. Which version you want? I want 10.13. 10.13. So we have a version 10.13. So we have a platform. Let's copy paste again. I'm just adding. So now you have to define which version you want. So we have capabilities also. Which version of the the browser you want to run or something, so you can here version, cool, and I'm gonna say here latest. I want to run the latest version. Okay, latest version. So we don't run depends, always run the latest version. Now we already set our browser name, we already set our platform name, and we already set the version. Now what you need, we need to initiate your driver. So you're going to say driver, because we already have WebDriver they are public. So I'm going to say driver equal new RemoteWebDriver. So this is RemoteWebDriver, guys. This is not regular, okay? This is RemoteWebDriver, which is for Selenium or for in cloud if you want to run. Okay, new URL. Okay, and inside that you're gonna provide that URL. This URL is this URL. Okay, this URL. Okay, URL and comma and say CA caps. Okay, caps and protocols. So now we show here. So this URL for this URL, but this URL in for Java. So you have to import it. So I say country space for that and JavaNet. Okay, this is, and some have you have to some exception over here. Click here and you will see here and say add exception signature. So boom. So the mail for exception I already have. So now you already have your URL. So now which website you want to open? I want to open this, copy this one. So now our code is ready. So now we are missing here our access key and username. Let's go to the sauceLab. So we are in the sauceLab. My username. I'm going to go here, guys. I'm going to close this account. Don't copy my one. So if you go after account, if you go Jaman, like you have your account. So go to the user setting. Over here, you will find out your username, which is the minor Jaman test. I'm going to go here and I provide my username. Okay, and over here you see the access key. Okay, this is your generate access key. This is your password. Okay, there's nobody can, you can generate another access key, like example as generate access key. So yes, they regenerate access key. When you say regenerate access key, you will have new access key. Okay, you can every time do that, copy and provide inside. So after run the test, I will be regenerated. You cannot use my access key. So now let me explain again. I have username, which is a German test. I have access key over here. Now I put the URL, which is supposed to be for sauceLab, HTTPS, username, access key. I use the reusable purpose because you can change, but or you can put directly. You don't have to concurrently. You can say German test slash German test clone access key, and then down to sauceLab.com and AT hub also. So that's up to you guys. So now this is looks supposed to be like that for the usable purpose, but you can change your access key nicely. That's why we keep like that, and I get a method. Now this method, now I'm going to go to the any test, like cut paste test. Cut paste test I call init method, which is the init method, this one. So I'm not going to use in local variable. Okay, so local method. Now what you're going to do, I'm going to call the sauceLab. So I'm going to go again cut paste test. I'm going to, for now, I comment out. Okay, and I'm going to say over here sauceLab. Okay, I have this. So now this error, because there's the exceptional. So if you initiate exceptional, you have to do it. So click this here and you'll go here and exception. So your problem is solved. So now our sauceLab is ready. So before that, how do you know that why is running this? Go to your sauceLab. Again, go to the sauceLab. Go to the dashboard. I'm here. Automated test. Before I was run some test. Forget about the, I'm gonna, I can delete or not right now. No, I cannot delete right now the build. I supposed to have delete. Let's see, I can delete or not. So if I delete, it will be better. So delete. So I want clean. Yeah, I can delete it. Delete. You guys don't have to delete anything because you don't have anything for now. So I'm just deleting because I just want to settle. So now when you go to automated test, it will be empty here. There is nothing. Okay. So again, go to the dashboard and go to the automated test, and you will be see here. Okay. So now here, so we already have ready. See the our on-demand sauceLab over here already have. So now let's run our test. So I'm going to run test from here. So I'm going to run test all through. Okay. Run cut paste test. So you will see here something running. Okay, You're not going to see anything here. There is no website open. But boom, over here some session is on. You see guys, some session is on. So I'm going to go here, and there is a video is on. You see my website, my test is running inside the sauceLab website in the cloud. It's not running your local machine. This is inside the sauceLab. So test will be run. Test pass or fail is going to show the result. I'm waiting over here. See here, 2 tests is pass. Cool. But there is no website open, and here is open is here. Okay. So now I go back my dashboard. Okay. Again automated test, and you'll be see one ROM. This browser we did not close it, that's why it's keep running, I believe. So 1 minute ago. So now our test is here running. Okay, so I can stop from here. Okay, it keep running because the browser is not closed. If we go to the my test, I believe, so yeah, the test we are not closing, that's why the browser is keep running. So now I already have my job. What I can stop it. Okay, I'm going dashboard again, automated test. So now test is stopped. So now if what is the benefit of the sauceLab? One more benefit. So you run the test, you are sleeping or you was in work, you don't have to worry. You come back, you check your build, and this video is here already. You can run the video, play the video, and you can see what kind of test you done. It's running. So that's it for guys today. The code will be in description section. You can use it, and this is the very simple test method or test code for sauceLab. Next video I will show some more adventure how to use the sauceLab more modular purpose with multiple browser, with multiple device. For now is today like that guys. See you soon. Feel free to press the like button, and if you have any question, write a comment section. I will be help you as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys.